How to remove vanish mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove vanish mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to remove vanish mode on Instagram, let's say that you're talking to someone, the person enabled vanish mode, and then maybe you accidentally turned on vanish mode. To turn on vanish mode, all you need to do is just swipe up like this, right? You can see it says swipe to turn on vanish mode from the bottom. When you swipe up the vanish mode, whenever you send them a message in vanish mode, after they see it, the message is going to disappear. And how do you turn off vanish mode? Well, to turn off as well, it is a similar step. You can see it says swipe to turn off vanish mode over here. Just swipe up like this and vanish mode will be turned off, and then you'll come back to the normal messaging tab. So if there's any of the secret messages, you can just go to vanish mode, or if you don't want vanish mode, you can just swipe up like this. It's as simple as that. And that's it on how you can remove vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.